Dear Amazon sellers, in this video I'm going to show you three simple and proven methods to remove a child ASIN from a parent listing on Amazon. We combined some listings a couple of weeks ago, but it didn't work as expected. Our main ASIN sales started diverting to other variations, and since we have a lot of stock for that main SKU, we need to dismerge these listings to regain the control of sales on those main ASINs. So there are three simple methods we have already applied and tested on hundreds of listings, and now I'm sharing this method with you. Let's proceed. The first and simple method is you just need to delete the parent listing. From the parent, in front of parent, you will delete it. And once you delete it, now you will create a new parent for the proposed childs that you still want to be combined, and the one you want to make a separate or standalone ASIN you will not include in this parentage family. That's how you will separate any of the ASINs from parentage family. It was the first method. It do have some kind of complexation. If you deleted your parent, it might have chances your all the variation deleted and it will be very worse scenario. So remember, whenever you are doing anything on Amazon dashboard or you are taking any serious actions, first you must have a backend reverse feed file which is named as category listing report. Now I'm going to share second method. In the second method, you just delete the child ASIN you want to make standalone listing. Now you will delete this ASIN. If you want to make it separate or dismerge it from this variation family, you just need to delete it and relist this ASIN after 30 to 40 minutes with the same SKU. All the stock and all the other things will be recovered and this ASIN will be standalone. The third and most beneficial method I'm going to share with you, and it is most recommended method. What we have to do, we just need to go on the menu bar, click here on the menu bar, and then you need to download the category listing report. Click on reports, inventory reports. From here, you will download the category listing report. Let's say this is our category listing report, and we want to separate this ASIN from the variation family. So I'm just selecting it. We will delete all the rest of the rows, all the rest of the SKUs from this listing. And now we will make a full update for this. And we have to remove all the details from the variation columns. There are 4 variation columns in any listing. Like these are the 4 columns: parentage, level, child relationship type, parent SKU, and variation theme. So if you are deleting or dismerging a child from the parent, it will have all the details of parent here. What you need to do, you just need to delete all the details from these 4 cells. Save it and upload it back on your Seller Central. Add a product via upload and choose your file. You can rename your files according to the perception. So we have uploaded the file here, and now we will check load the status. So this is the file we just uploaded and it's done. Our listing will be separated within 30 to 40 minutes from the main parentage. It is very simple and easiest way, and this is most secure and recommended way. That please go with full update and delete the variation relations from the variation columns and re-upload this category listing report for that specific SKU. That's it. If you are facing sales diversion, parentage issues, or need a stronger catalog setup that can give you good number of sales on daily basis, I can help you with catalog optimization, listing fixation, and brand growth strategies. Contact us now for more details.